Hey guys, yeah, this is the end of this chassis. I did a bunch of 3D modeling of the existing chassis, and you can see I had to basically copy or carbon copy, mimic the chassis that I currently have. This is a requirement of the engineering company that I'm working with to get this thing road legalized. So I basically created the entire thing in 2 dimensions and then mapped it into 3 dimensions, which was a complete pain in the neck. Took a very, very long time to do that process and step that through, because as you can see, an existing chassis is pretty tricky to set up, and there's a lot of nuances to it, and I didn't really realize that until I started to detail measure the chassis. So from there I was able to apply a bunch of loads to the chassis and see how it responded under the given load conditions that we're expecting. And turns out the old chassis is pretty flexible. It definitely only just passes sort of your minimum engineering requirements that are set on modern day chassis and modern day designs. So once that was done, I was able to understand how that would perform, and then I was able to go through and make any kind of modifications to the chassis, and start to add all the bits in, like the battery box and the motor and other components. Now you can see that the battery box sort of cuts straight through the main top tube and into the seat pan, and basically deletes almost the entire middle section of the chassis, which proved to be a bit of an issue from an engineering standpoint. The VAS engineers, or the engineers that want to certify your vehicle to go on the roads here in Australia, deemed that it was too much. So I started to design a trellis design in around that to allow for the space for that battery box, and you can see that it's pretty well different to the original one, which then causes a whole bunch of headaches. So what that meant is that conservative Australian design rules basically vetoed the use of this chassis, so it's back to square one. So watch this space, but I'm going to find a bit more suitable donor. Thanks, team.